You're recording now. You have to look at yourself in there. Put your face up.
I can't.
You can't?
Stop it.
There.
Anyways, stop it.
Well, you have to see your face right in there, see? No, not in there. In this one, honey. The little square right here. That's it.
Stop it.
Okay, all right. There you go. Tell them what you did today. We went to Olive Garden.
Nope.
What did you do?
Nothing.
You didn't? I think you did. See, now you can't see yourself in the picture. Who was there today?
Jacob.
Jacob? Well, excuse you. Excuse you.
Breadwinner.
No.
Breadwinner.
What are you going to do later on? You're going to take another video, huh? Oh, you're down again. You can't see. Keep putting your head down, buddy. There you go. No, you don't want to spray that.
I'm not. I'm just checking it.
Oh, you're just checking it.
Get bubbles stuff in a place. Try to get it.
And spray it.
I just this get a video of spray stuff on the waist and a place you gotta get this.
See, you gotta keep your face in there.
C-O-E Free cents.
Yeah.
3 cents. You want to get this? You want to get this? Yeah. You want to get this?